Happy Valentine's Day! What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. On this day, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day home tour. I just love Valentine's Day so much. All the pinks and the reds and the pretty hearts. It's just so much fun. So I've picked up a few Valentine's Day decor items. And now this is not going to be an entire home tour. It's just a few little rooms that I have decorated for Valentine's Day. I wanted to share with you all. So keep watching and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps out my channel so much, and hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified every single time I post a video. So stick around and enjoy the tour. I know it is almost Valentine's Day, but I just saw this adorable wood heart banner and it's redone, and I saw it at TJ Maxx today, so I had to pick it up. I love how it is white and pink. It's so adorable, and I did just get my nails done this baby pink color, but I thought that was so cute. And I also saw a Easter redone. Did I call it a banner or a garland? Yeah, a garland, and I thought that was cute too, so I went ahead and picked that up. But I am just in love with these hearts. I'm so excited. Oh, also I got this adorable redone pie plate that says "How Sweet." I am so in love with this. And then I got two of these little vases, and they have like a little bit of faux water in them, and I just thought these pink cherry blossoms were so pretty. And now I found these at Target, and I feel like they were a little pricey. They were $30, and you get the vase, and there's 3 stems in there, and they're secured down in this water. And I got 2 of them, but they're just so pretty. I saw them once and I didn't get them, and then when I went back I just couldn't resist how beautiful the flowers were. So I've been looking for some of these. I did actually get some, and I showed them in my last haul, and I put them in a big vase that I have, and I want to find more just like it, and I can't. So while I was out on the hunt, I did find these, and I went ahead and snagged them. I thought they would be beautiful for spring.
awake is the way that you left me. Side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Ooh, 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 ooh.
up today's video. I hope you enjoyed my mini home tour, and I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. Cheers!